Good morning, everybody here on the channel. My name's Emeka. If you're brand new to the channel, nice to meet you. Please smash that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and most importantly, connect with me and tell me who you are in the comments section. I do my absolute best to return every single comment or question. But three things happen here on this channel: how to increase your income so you can take back your freedom, so you can design that ultimate lifestyle. And this is going to be a quick, I can't say weekly update because I honestly can't remember the last time I did this. Life has been busy, and sometimes things happen and you just got to kind of roll with the punches. And well, I'm going to grab a seat for starters. Oh, yeah. Just got back from the gym, feeling fantastic, but a little sore. You know, so let's just start with the beginning. I got like zero thoughts on where this is going to go. I just figured, you know what? Let me just turn on the camera, talk, vent, get my head straight, and maybe this will give me a bit more clarity on what I want to get done. I'm going to hide the viewer so I can't see myself, so I can really just look at you and connect and do my best to get my thoughts out. But holy shit, the last month has been fucking something else, all right? You know, the Cancun Mastermind was beginning of September, and it's really been nonstop since. You know, I had a chance to hang out with Christian and Rasmus for the better part of a month, and we just said goodbye a couple days ago, and they're over in Greece right now in Santorini. And you know, it's actually been a little weird not having them around. I'll be honest. But you know, I was just talking to Rasmus on Facebook there. But you know, I learned so much from them. So much. I'm actually going to do a separate video on just what it's been like hanging out with them and the impact that they had on me. But let's shift gears. So. All right, I don't know. Like I said, I had no idea where this video was going to go. You know, since the last month, with all the traveling, and thank God I don't have any immediate travel plans coming up right now. Maybe we'll go away for Christmas, but I don't even know if I want to. I just really want to get down and work because I feel like, well, one, if you take a look at the channel, right? And yes, my computer was busted for a little bit, so you know I wasn't able to get thumbnails and do the videos at the level that I like. But I got a whole bunch of videos that I've been editing, and I just sent my video editor a whole bunch of stuff to start working on. So you're going to see a lot more coming up on the channel over the next couple weeks here. And back to more of the regular stuff you're used to, but it's also going to be a lot different. You know, one of the things that I talk, you know, in one of my mastermind groups is really understanding who your customer avatar is and understanding basically who this channel is designed for, the type of people I want to attract for this channel. And, you know, I was at Vid Summit and had a chance. I got to do another video to talk about Vid Summit and just what that event was and the impact it got. I had a chance to ride in the elevator with Gary Vee. Yeah, I got to film that video right after this one, actually. You know, I really had a chance to figure out exactly what this whole channel is about. And yes, it's about, number one, first and foremost, it's always going to be about making more money, increasing your income. Because I think without increasing your income, without focusing on making as much fucking money as you possibly can, you're selfish. If you're not, you're being selfish. You're not helping your family. You're not supporting yourself. You're not doing it for your, like, you have to be focused first and foremost on increasing your income. Because until you can get to the level where your passive income is exceeding your personal expenses, you're going to be stuck in the rat race and you're always going to be worried about money. So you have to focus on increasing your income. That will never leave this channel. That will be at the core foundation, I believe, of this channel. Then it's taking back your freedom. Right? Once you have your expenses taken care of, you can now go out and be free. You can go out and, as Christian likes to say, YOLO, right? You only live once. And just being free and be able to go and come as you please. And you know, that's one thing I really got from them, that we're making changes, you know. and just being free, not having debts, not having to be tied down to one place, being able to come and go as you please. Freedom is just so important to me. And I think, you know, I keep seeing this post on Instagram. It's like, it's a picture of cubicles, like office workers, and the caption is, how do you keep people from knowing they're in a prison? Something like that. I'll try to find a picture of it. And it's like, you know, you never let them, or you keep them entrapped without them really knowing, or something like that. I butchered it. Check out the screen for the actual caption. But freedom is just so key. And then your lifestyle. Designing the ultimate lifestyle. I think so many of you are maybe actually afraid to admit some of the goals that you want. You know, I was talking to Mariana. We've been talking a lot about Mexico. And Mexico is just a place that limits you. You cannot grow to the level of life, to the level of lifestyle that I want here. And you know, I'm sure it's a fine place if you want to live a mediocre life and, you know, make whatever it is a month. But, you know, like, I have a dream of buying a private jet so we can fly around, and freedom. You can't do that living in Mexico. So lifestyle is something that is really important. I have no idea what I'm talking about right now, actually. I told you this was going to be one of those weird updates. It's just got so much going on right now. I figured the best way to kind of get it all out is to talk. And well, I'm talking to you because it's what I do. Let's talk business. I have no idea where anything is with anything right now. I know we've got some of the 10 books back that we just ordered from Urban. I think we're just waiting on a couple more. I don't think any of those are actually published yet. They might be, they might not be. I have a manager who runs my publishing business, and he's basically all in charge of that. He's been sick the last couple of days, so, you know, we haven't really talked much, but, you know, we're making waves. We still making waves. You know, with the publishing side of things, but yeah, I know where I was going. Giving people the confidence to leave their 9-to-5 to pursue the life of their dreams. Something along the lines of that. I don't really like the end part, but giving people the confidence to leave their 9-to-5. That's going to be another core foundation of what this channel is going to be going forward. Because if you're working 9-to-5, what are you? Yeah, essentially slave, right? You're not free. And, you know, going back to my previous rant, that's just one thing I'm super passionate about. And I think more people would like to be able to do things outside of the 9-to-5 job, right? So, I don't know. A lot of things are going to be shifting and focus, and, you know, we're going to be changing things up a little bit. But, you know, the core fundamental elements aren't going to change, but maybe a bit who I target the videos to and whatnot will change a little bit as I develop myself and as I grow as well. You know, things are always evolving. So anyways, that's that. I think I'm gonna go shower quickly. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna grab the camera and I'm gonna do my Vid Summit and Gary V review. Kind of get that off my mind because I'm thinking about that right now, and you don't realize the impact that actually had. Like, I posted in the Facebook group, I honestly feel I've come full circle with my publishing business. Like, I could not publish another book. I'd be completely happy with it. Like, I feel like, you know, what he said to me and what, you know, I gave him my book. I gave him my first successful book, and then I had another copy, and he signed that, and I have that at home now. But, like, this was full circle. Full circle. And it really, I've never been so satisfied and so pleased. Like, I could walk away from publishing right now, and it'll go down as one of the greatest accomplishments of my life. This is cool. So anyways, I'm going to go shower. I'm going to get this up right away, and Lots more is coming. So make sure you smash that subscribe notification or button and turn notifications on. That's what I'm trying to say. But till next time, everybody, I'm Emeka. Drop me a comment. Let me know how you're doing. And yeah, speak to y'all soon. Take care.